Alright guys, been about a week. We're gonna go check out if they're putting stuff in this top box that obviously they're putting storage in there, but I'm gonna see if we got any babies up here. Kind of a windy day. It's nice and warm though, but I'm gonna put a little protection on anyway. See what we got in there. I don't even know how these things really work, man. Something like that, I think. Yeah. Alright, see what we got. Well, they've almost drinking this dry. Less than 24 hours. There's the move. What are we gonna do here? Put these down. There we go. See what we got going on here. See if we got some babies. Also gonna put a look at that. They're not putting comb up there no more, so they're not trying to build an extra super on me. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. Alright, what do we got here? What's going on, girls? We're gonna put a big rhubarb leaf in here today too. Yeah. That's it, girl. Starting to draw out a little bit on this frame. I took some rhubarb and I sliced it real thin and put it in there so they could suck stuff out of the stalk. Seem to be doing it. Okay, we got any babies up here. We've got going on. Real sticky. Oh yeah, and that's stuck down. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. Lots of wax here. This, best. Keep the bottom of those frames clean, you know? Alright, what do we got? Tons of nectar. Yeah, what do we got? Drawing that out beautifully. We have brood up top. We have brood. Look at that. Yeah, we got day old brood in here. Day old. Uh, 3 or 4 day old. Awesome. Back in. Fall down up there. Got pollen. We got babies. Got lots of drones. Oh, there's the queen. Oh. There's the queen. You guys fell down. Yeah, check it out. We got our queen here. Let's see if we can lower you down here. This frame's got our queen on it. Check over my shoulder here. Careful with this frame. There's our queen marked right there. See her walking around? Yeah, babies. Up here, queen's up here. Put our space together, nice and tight, so we don't mess with her. Let's see what else we got up here. Oh, wiggle dance right here. Yes, we have babies. Oh, another wiggle dance right there in front of you. Hey, the little wiggle dance. Cat brood. Oh, okay, babies. Oh, there we go. Another way. Two frames of babies. We have a squished little girl in there. Oh, little butts. Oh, what we got here? Yep. The larvae down in there. Larvae. Pollen. Drones. Queen cups. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm showing you here. Queen cups, nothing in them. Oh, lots of brood on this one. Come on. Lots of brood, full frame. She's a great layer, eh? She is a great layer. Oh yeah. Look at that, side to side brood. Yeah. Working over here. What do we got? Oh, full of little eggs in there. I don't know if you can see them. There's little eggs in there. I would say starting to lean over, 2 days old. Still no liquid at the bottom. So yeah, 2 days ago she was here. This is all fresh wax, beautiful. Well, it's starting to build some wonky comb on me. Gonna scrape it off. No eggs here. Yeah, clearly not enough wax on this frame. Build a wonky comb. Look at that. That's no good. You don't want to see that. So, thank God it's fresh. There's nothing in there. It's coming off. Get our other scraper here. There's our other scraper. So we're just simply going to take that off. You can try again. Beautiful comb, but no. Not right. This frame's dry. I'm gonna see if I got another frame. Some wax on it. That's just dry. Very dry. Or maybe I'll go render some wax today and brush it on. So you know what? I'm gonna do that. Last 2 frames. You know what? Forget it. I'm just gonna scrape it off. It's not too bad. Crap. Follow me now, guys. I think there's eggs in there. Is it time to add another box? Do we have babies here? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's safe to say we should put a box on here today. I think that's pretty safe to say. Okay. Well, let's push our frames back. We know we got to do the last 3. Re-wax those. We'll be doing that today. Me, I like to push all my frames at once, except for they're getting caught on some burr comb or something. Oh no, this one had comb on it, didn't it? Yeah, there's Queenie. She's still right there. Same frame, hasn't moved. You don't see her? Yeah. Queenie's right there. Out, little girl. That'll be a little butt. you. Queen frame. You're looking right at my back, aren't you? Queen frame on it, so I want to be careful with this one, extra careful. Whoops. That happens. But I know the queen's not on there, so who cares? The girls, go fly. Frame up a little bit. Come on, yeah. Move away. Move away. Well, even though it's windy, still a great temperament. Oh yeah, boys. Drive by. Okay, we're putting a box on here. Actually, I'm going to get my leaf and put my leaf on it. Whew. It's heavy. I always look down my frames. So when I'm putting them together, I'm looking right down here, make sure I don't squish anybody in this space there, right? Because it gets narrow as we go down here, so the bees have a gap. This is what mates and touches everything. So I'm gonna do that, and then we'll get a rhubarb leaf. All right, guys, I'm back. So we have rhubarb leaf. Now these things are huge, bigger than a whole hive. And I am going to put another box on today. So another thing I've been doing this year, which I've never done, and you know, I've always watched my colonies grow slowly. This colony exploded over the last couple weeks. Like, I'm throwing on 2 boxes already. But I've been feeding them Hive Alive fondant patty. I did this since early spring. And I've been feeding them their sugar water. And what a difference this year. Like, oh, just brood, crazy. But, yeah, we're gonna give this to the girls again, and check this out, guys. Watch how fast they react to this. Watch this.